Lad, stay on that side. Lad, on the driver's side door, open it up inside the door. There's a red, looks like a keychain, it's a glass breaker. Get that over here. Got at least one inside trapped.
That's clear. They do request a helicopter for standby.
10-4, make that 2.
Clear.
Buddy, hit unlock. I know, can you hit unlock? I know, can you get to the unlock button? You find what I was talking about? I know, buddy. Hold on, we got medics coming. You're fine, man. You've been in an accident. I know. Got medics on the way. What the Where the fuck? Stupid tree! 35, call the railroad company, tell them to stop moving. They're dragging this car with people inside.
Clear.
Or tell the medics, see if they can, they're closer to the front. Hey, they're alerting cop, just get somebody to, all right, whoever that is, medics or units, somebody go to the front of the train, tell them to stop moving, they're dragging this car.
Or said, I'm cutting over to the east side.
Shine a spotlight in their eye, do something to get up at the front.
They want to show us on scene, one person in the vehicle, the train's still moving.
2 people.
I'm at 13 to contact Union Pacific.
Hold tight. Hold tight, man. We're getting them to stop. We're getting them to stop.
Boy, I gotta stop.
All right, just make sure somebody physically talks to somebody and make sure they know not to keep moving again.
Man, I'm talking to Canuck now.
All right.